Last year, I asked you for donations to help iERA continue the prophetic mission in this video, and thousands of you shared it. It went viral. We used your donation to convey the message of Islam in Spain, France, Netherlands, Ireland, Denmark, Switzerland, Canada, USA, Malawi, Hong Kong, Philippines, Malaysia, Thailand, Mexico, Honduras, Japan, and South Korea. And because of all of this work, so many people accepted Islam, alhamdulillah. We also delivered dawah training, new Muslim training, fed the homeless, did community outreach, printed dawah materials, sent it to over 140 different countries. We hired du'at internationally, launched a global Jesus exhibition, trained and empowered leaders, imams, academics from USA, Canada, and Europe, and much, much more. The question is, did you donate and get that reward? Or did you miss out? Allah chose those first 1,000 people last Ramadan to support iERA. This year, we plan on doing much more, bigger and better. This time, don't miss out. Join the first 1,000 people and start your Ramadan off with a bang. And don't forget, last year, many donated because of others sharing this video. Share this video right now. It's 100% free. So brothers and sisters, click the link now and give a monthly donation now.